Welcome. Thank you so much for being here. My name is Alex. Make sure you subscribe. I post nearly every day. You don't want to miss out. I am here with a gentle beginner flow that will take about 15-20 minutes. We'll feel it out. Let's begin in a child's pose. Big toes together, knees are apart. We're going to walk our hands forward. Bring your forehead down to the mat. And bring yourself to the present moment. Just a reminder, this is going to be beginner friendly, but also feel free to add on as you'd like to if you need more. Let's take a breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. Inhale. Do that 2 more times on your own, emphasizing the exhale as a way to clear out any stagnant air, anything you don't need. Once you're finished, switch to breathing exclusively in and out through the nose. This type of yoga breath is naturally calming, and your awareness of the breath is the best way to bring yourself to the present moment. The best moment you have. Press up to a tabletop. Bring your knees underneath your hips, hands are shoulder width. We're going to draw circles with the torso. Move to the right, forward, left and back. Tuck your toes so that you're feeling a stretch in the feet. Go both directions, and don't be afraid to lean over. There is no correct form at the moment. Continue to move in circles. And then find a neutral spine somewhere in the middle. Pull the core in. 1 cat-cow. On an inhale, arch the back. Exhale, scoop the tailbone, press the mat away, tuck your chin. Neutral spine somewhere in the middle. Reach the right leg back. Keep the right toes on the mat. Let's lift and lower the heel, stretching out the calf. And switch sides. So lifting and lowering the heel is as if you were standing on the floor. Your heel is going back and forward. Tabletop somewhere in the middle. 1 cat-cow. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Find somewhere in the middle. Tuck the toes and press back to our first downward facing dog. Feet about hip width. Hands or shoulder width, index fingers point straight ahead, pedal it out, bend 1 knee at a time. Let's continue to keep the knees a little bit bent and walk your feet up to the hands. Separate your feet about hip width and bend the knees so you can relax over both legs. Ragdoll, bend and straighten 1 knee at a time. Lift one heel or both at a time. Still bringing yourself to the present moment, just feeling out where you are right now. Bring the toes and the heels to touch, bend the knees, and relax over the legs. Long exhale through the nose. Pull in the core now. That's just pulling the stomach in. And round up to standing. Find some good posture. Bring the palms to touch at heart center. Relax your shoulders down. Lengthen the tailbone down. One hand on the stomach, one on the tailbone is going to gently bring awareness to your spinal alignment. Hands to heart center. Be grateful for the fact that you are here right now doing something to take care of yourself. Inhale, reach the arms overhead. Keep them shoulder width distance. Shoulders are down, elbows are soft, palms face each other. Try not to sway the lower back. Inhale, reach the arms overhead. Look between the hands. And on an exhale, bend the knees, swan dive over both legs. Halfway lift, inhale. Draw the shoulder blades back, long spine. And from here, place the hands down, step back to a plank, lower all the way down to the mat. Make a fist with your left hand. Rest your forehead there and pull the right foot in toward the glute for a quad stretch. Press your hips into the mat. Continue to slow down the breath and stay present. Switch sides. Pay attention to your transitions, what releases, what has to step in. We're pulling the left foot in. You're resting your forehead on your right fist. And that gentle pressure is a reminder on your forehead to trust your intuition. And release the left foot. Press into your hands for an upward facing dog. You might have to kind of wiggle your way there. Leave the knees tucked, or the knees soft, the toes tucked. And let's shrug the shoulders and know that this is what we don't want. Press the palms down. Lower the shoulders away from the ears. Feel the front body open up. Lean onto the left hip. Look over the right shoulder. Remember, the legs are soft. You should feel this on the left side of your body. Switch sides. Lean on your right hip. Look over your left shoulder. Come back to center. Inhale, tuck your toes, pull the heart through, shoulders down. Exhale, downward facing dog. You can pedal it out or find some stillness. Feet hip width, hands shoulder width, index fingers straight ahead. Shoulders away from the ears, and you press the mat away from you, trying to get your heels to the mat. Lower your knees to the mat. Pull in the core now. 1, cat-cow. Inhale, arch the back. Cow pose. Exhale, round the spine. Press the mat away. Neutral spine. Bring your feet out in front of you. with the soles of the feet together. So you're sitting in a butterfly pose. Roll the shoulders down away from the ears. Hold on to the outsides of the feet. And fold forward over your legs. Round or flat spine, whatever you'd like. Just find a few breaths where you can relax. You can make fists with the hands for your forehead, or you can also put a block there. And remember, trust your intuition. Smooth out the breath in and out through the nose. Sit up. Bring your feet in front of you, about hip-width distance, feet on the floor for a reverse tabletop. Just one. Press into the hands. Fingertips are pointing to the heels. Press and lift. The head can go back if that's okay with your neck. Otherwise, keep it comfortable. Try not to let the knees splay. Sit back down. Extend your legs out in front of you. You can keep the knees soft if you like, or if you can go for more, do what you'd like. Inhale, arms overhead, and fold forward over the legs. Gentle, intense, whatever you need right now. Use your breath to stretch your torso. Use your exhale to relax your thoughts, your body. Round up to a seated position and find a comfortable seat. That could be cross-legged, that could be sitting on a block, that could be on your knees, or a chair even. Left arm reaches up and over to the right. Up and over. Side body stretch. Keep your left sit bone down. Continue to breathe. If that's a lot on the neck, to look at the hand, look down. Just keep your neck relaxed. Sit up and switch sides. Left hand down, right arm up and over. Up and over. Continue to breathe. And sit up. Place your hands on your knees, roll your shoulders back and down. Lower your right ear toward the right shoulder. Notice if you dipped your chin, you might have to reset. Tilt to the right. Breathe. Lift up. Scan right, left to right. And then switch. Left ear lowers. And lift. Lift your chin. Maybe keep the teeth closed. Center. Lower the chin. Try not to shrug forward. And lift. Look over your right shoulder. Try not to bring the shoulders with you. Look to the left. And center, half or full circle, both directions. Find a neutral spine, neck. Reach the arms above your head. One more sip of air at the end. Inhale. Long exhale to the right. Twist. Left hand to the right knee. Use the range of motion you have right now. Sit up tall. Inhale, reach the arms overhead through center. Inhale, lift. And exhale, float the hands down to the left. Press into the left hand. I'm on fingertips to make sure you're sitting up tall. Continue to breathe. Release through center. Arms reach overhead. Inhale. One more sip of air at the end. Reach up. Long exhale. Lower your hands down to heart center or by your sides. Relax your temples. Relax the breath. Thank yourself for bringing yourself to the moment you are in right now. I am so grateful for your presence. Please let me know what you thought. I will see you in my next video. Until then, namaste.